In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the image-to-image feature in Leonardo AI. Our journey begins on the Leonardo AI platform, a powerful tool that can transform your creative visions into stunning reality. Let's dive in and explore how this process works seamlessly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Leonardo AI website, the hub for all our creativity today. Once you're there, the next step is to find the image generation tool. This is where the magic starts to unfold. With a simple, user-friendly interface, this tool centralizes all the functionalities you'll need. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Now, it's time to get hands-on. Begin by uploading the base image you wish to transform. This is your starting canvas, the foundation that guides the creative process. Simply click the upload option and select the image from your device. Make sure it's the one that aligns closely with your vision, as this base photograph will influence the outcome significantly. With your image in place, the next step is all about communication with the AI, and this is done through writing a prompt. This prompt serves as a descriptor, portraying your creative vision and how you want the image to evolve. Be descriptive and clear. The more information you provide, the better Leonardo AI can craft your desired result. It's like having a dialogue with the tool, conveying precisely what transformations you're envisioning. Once your prompt is set, the strength slider comes into play. This nifty tool allows you to control how intensely Leonardo AI applies the changes to your original image. Whether you're aiming for subtle enhancements or bold alterations, adjusting this slider lets you manage the extent of modification, giving you the reins on how much of your imagination reflects in the final result. Next, it's important to choose the right model that best fits your creative goals. Different models in Leonardo AI are tailored to various styles and outputs. Think of it as picking the right brush for a painting. The correct choice can significantly enhance your final piece. Take a moment to explore and pick the model that resonates most with your envisioned outcome. Now that you've set everything up, the last step is to click Generate. With a single click, you're sending all your instructions to Leonardo AI, allowing it to weave its technological magic. Sit back and anticipate the reveal. Soon you'll have your transformed image ready for review. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to harnessing the power of the image-to-image feature in Leonardo AI. From uploading your base image to refining the final touches, each step empowers you to actualize your vision effortlessly. Thanks for following along, and happy creating.